Hey there, welcome. If you're ready to book your driving test online in Queensland, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get your test booked in no time. First, make sure you're eligible to book online. This service works for car, light rigid, medium rigid, and heavy combination vehicles. But if you're looking to book a motorcycle test, you'll need to go through a different process. Also, if you've got an overseas license or have ever held an interstate learner's permit, you might need to call transport and main roads at 13 23 80 instead. Before booking, you need to make sure you've met all the requirements. For a car test, you must have passed the hazard perception test. If you're under 25, your learner logbook needs to be approved by transport and main roads. And this approval can take up to 12 working days, so plan ahead. Now head over to the online booking page and select the type of test you want to book. Keep in mind your booking won't be confirmed until you pay the fee and receive a reference number, so don't forget to finalize the payment. Make sure both you and your test vehicle are ready. Check out the driving test checklist and vehicle requirements on the website before the big day. If you're not fully prepared, the test could be cancelled and you might lose your booking fee, so double check everything. And that's it, simple right? Book your test online and you'll be on your way to getting your Queensland license. Good luck and remember, don't rush the process. Be sure to meet all the requirements.